Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about beef, one of the most popular and controversial foods in the world. Beef is the meat of cattle and it can be eaten as steaks, roasts, burgers, sausages, and many other dishes. But how much beef is safe to eat and what happens when you eat too much meat? Beef is a good source of protein, iron, zinc, and other nutrients that are essential for your health. However, beef can also be high in fat, cholesterol, salt, and other compounds that can have negative effects on your health if you consume too much of it. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, processed meat, such as bacon, ham, salami, and hot dogs, is classified as a carcinogen, meaning that it can cause cancer. Red meat, such as beef, pork, lamb, and goat, is classified as a probable carcinogen, meaning that there is strong evidence that it can cause cancer. The WHO recommends limiting your intake of processed meat to no more than 50 grams per day and your intake of red meat to no more than 500 grams per week. This means that you should not eat more than 1 or 2 servings of beef per week. Eating more than the recommended amount of beef can increase your risk of several diseases, such as heart disease. Beef contains saturated fat and cholesterol, which can raise your blood cholesterol levels and clog your arteries. Beef also contains sodium, which can increase your blood pressure and strain your heart. Beef also contains other nutrients, such as choline and carnitine, which can be converted by bacteria in your gut into substances that can damage your blood vessels. 1. Diabetes. Beef contains a lot of calories and can contribute to weight gain and obesity, which are risk factors for type 2 diabetes. Beef also contains heme iron, which can increase insulin resistance and inflammation in your body. Pneumonia. Beef can be contaminated with bacteria, such as E. coli and Salmonella, which can cause food poisoning and infections in your lungs. Beef also contains nitrites and nitrates, which are added to processed meat to preserve its color and flavor. These chemicals can impair your immune system and make you more susceptible to respiratory infections. Colorectal cancer. Beef contains heme iron, which can damage the cells lining your colon and rectum. Beef also contains heterocyclic amines, HCS, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which are formed when meat is cooked at high temperatures. These substances can damage your DNA and cause mutations that can lead to cancer. 4. As you can see, eating too much beef can have serious consequences for your health. However, this does not mean that you have to avoid beef completely. You can still enjoy beef occasionally as part of a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy products, and healthy oils. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.